Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you guys are watching Jesse Chitar channel. And you guys know key in recent vlogs, so I quit my internship. So people were asking many reasons, so I'm not gonna tell right now. So guys, so today I decided to go to Sarojini. So हम बहुत दिन से हम तो घर में ही बैठ रहा था. So I was not going out, just staying house, so doing nothing. So इसलिए आज सोचा कि बिफोर गोइंग बैक टू होम टाउन सो सरोजनी एक बार जाएगा. सो इन दिस ब्लॉग आई एम गोना ट्राई कि लाइक अंडर 500 और 1000. इफ आई गेट गुड स्टाफ 1000. इफ आई डोंट फाइंड गुड स्टाफ देन इट्स अंडर 500. एनीवे आई एम सो ब्रोक नाउ. आई एम करंटली एट माई सिस्टर प्लेस. सो जैसे अभी आई विल गो टू मेट्रो स्टेशन, उसके बाद वहाँ से जाएगा, फिर वहाँ यंगकुटी आएगा. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm gonna wear and go. So and this cap. Meow. Meow. Guys, so now I'm going. I'm moving. So घर से निकल रहा है. And then I wore shirt. मैंने शर्ट पहना, even though like I'm looking ugly, अजीब दिख रहा है, पर भी it's too sunny, so I don't care. हमको धूप से प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए. So stay tuned. So I have reached metro station, Mavlinagar metro station. So from here I will go inside. Hi guys. So now we reached INS. So यहाँ से हम लोग पिंक लाइन चेंज करेगा. वो चेंज our line. येलो से पिंक लाइन. नाउ सरोजनी के मेट्रो स्टेशन से निकाल के तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं वो सरोजनी का मेन एंट्री, गेट नंबर 6 आई गेस.
ऐसा वाला कलर ये लो. हाँ बड़ा साइज. है ना छोटू, जिम जाता डेली, सुबह जिम जाता, शाम को और कितने गई ये वाला.
Turn back. So now we are going back. So now its time is 8 p.m. So too tired and too exhausted. Hi guys, so now I'm going back. यहाँ से हम फिर पैदल जाएगा. So हम रेपिडो और उबर से राइड वो कर रहे हैं, पर I'm not getting right, so I'm going for my food. So but too tired. यहाँ आ गया हम. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you what I got. So currently I'm too tired और मेरा आंख जो लाल हो रहा है. So stay tuned till tomorrow. So welcome back. So now I'm gonna show you what I thrifted from Sarojini. So here you go. So these are the clothes which I thrifted. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So let's start with the bottoms. So for bottom, firstly I got these jeans. So you can see. In back it look like this. So here is little bit dirty, so I think so if I wash this and it will go out. So and the quality of these jeans is really good. I'm not gonna lie, the quality of these jeans is really good. So I got these jeans. Guess the price. I'm just kidding. Just 180 rupees. Yeah, 180 rupees. Before Bhaiya ne bola ki before when I went there and then I saw these jeans and I asked the price, then Bhaiya said 450. तो हम bargain किया. उसके बाद bargain करते करते then I got these jeans on just 180 from. And let's move on to next one. So this is the second jeans. This is the back and this is the front. Let's see this. The quality of jeans is also good, but it's little bit seems worn out. So what do I expect from? But still it's good. And just जब हम खरीदा था while I got it, just I'm scared of the size कि मेरे लिए छोटा भी हो सकता है the length. And but I really like these jeans, so I got these jeans in just 150 rupees. So you can see this jeans from the same shop, just 150 rupees. So later I will try you and I'm gonna show you. I think in 150 it's be worth it, even though quality everything is good. So let's move on to the third one. So this is the third one. So I got the white jeans. So now here it's dirty, it's like, yeah, but if I wash this and it will go out easily. I don't know if it will go out easily or not. So this is a length, it's very long. In back it's like this. Yeah, pocket is not there, it's just to show off. There's no pocket in front, there is. So it's something look like this. The quality of this jeans is really good, and this ये ज़्यादा jeans से ज़्यादा trouser दिखता है, like somehow it's like formal pant, and that's why I got it. And this is also again I got this in only 150, just in 150. From these three are from all same shop. So let's move on to the. Then I saw this the green one. You can see the color. This is shirts, top shirts from the strip one. You can see it. The quality of this shirt is really good, even though it doesn't seem worn out. So I got it. Just we were planning to just Yankhudi और हम दोनों just जाने का plan कर रहा था to go back, and then I suddenly saw over there, and I saw this and just I saw it and just I got it, and guess the price is just only 30 rupees. So of course why will I leave? अगर 30 rupees में ये shirt मिल रहा है तो हम क्यों छोड़ेगा? So I just got it, and this one is another one. So again I got this shirt on just 50 rupees. So I got this on just 50 rupees. And then I got this red blazer. I don't know why I got this. Just I don't know why did I got this in this summer, but I took it. और इसका price है just 100 rupees. So and the quality of this blazer is really good. So I just saw it this blazer and it was just 100 rupees. That's why I just got it. I don't know why did I got it. It's okay. And the last one is this. The denim shirt. See the colors. From back it seems like this. From front it seems like this, and the button is over here. The quality of this shirt is good, and I just got this on just 100 rupees sale. It was on sale 100 rupees, just 100 rupees. So I got it anyway. I wanted for so long. I want denim shirt, so I saw it and I got it. So now I'm gonna try and I'm gonna show you. I hope I haven't tried yet. I hope I won't regret it. So stay tuned. So it fit me perfectly. So size fits perfectly and I just love it. Even though length is good, it's not too short or it's not too long, it's exact. So you can see. From back, from front and from side. I'm so happy. So this is the second jeans and it fits me perfectly. The size is perfect. Oh god, I just love the fit and the color. So let's try the another one. So this is the so you can see it fits me perfectly, even this one, the third one. The length is little bit longer, you can see. But it fits perfectly. I think I can manage this one. I don't have any regret after buying 3 of them. So let's try the t-shirt, the iron like shirt. So I'm gonna go with this one first. So this is the fit of the shirt. You can see. So I'm gonna try this one. So this is the second fit of the shirt. You can see it's very comfortable to wear and it fits me perfectly. So even though I like the color, I like everything, and I like this one also. Like it fit me perfectly and I want the size what I wanted. So this is the fit of this denim shirt. I really like the color and the quality is also good. Like it's very comfortable to wear. But I don't think so I can wear in this summer in this Delhi weather. It's hot. guys, so this is a bit of this blazer. So all this blazer, so I like everything. The color is good, even the size is perfect. I love it, and the quality is good. Quality is really good. You can see the quality, but it's too hot. So guys, so these are the clothes I thrifted from Sarojini. हम जब भी फिल्म करने के लिए start करते हैं, like this sounds, the working one started. So annoying, and this is my 7th clip. जब भी हम वीडियो ऑन करने का साथ साथ वो स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, the that sound so annoying. So anyway अभी I'm gonna continue it. I won't wait because anyway I'm getting late. Hi guys, so that's all. So I showed you all the clothes what I thrifted from Sarojini. पेन के भी दिखाया और क्वालिटी वाइज भी दिखाया एक एक को, एंड आई टोल्ड यू द प्राइस अकॉर्डिंग, सबका प्राइस भी बताया हम कौन सा कितना कितना प्राइस में लिया. सो वाइल कि इन सरोजनी लाइक इट्स वेरी टफ टू फिल्म. सो हर जगह में एक फिल्म करना इट्स वेरी टफ, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत क्राउडेड होता है. और मेन बात जब हम लोग सरोजनी जाते हैं, फर्स्ट बात तो है बहुत क्राउडेड होता है, और too crowded and too noisy, and even though it's too sunny, तो अभी दिल्ली का वेदर इतना गर्म हो चुका है, like it's too hot now, so we can't show you all the place कि पूरा डिटेल में हम नहीं दिखा पाता है. even though I want to, it's impossible to show, क्योंकि कोई हम लोग दुकान में even though we like the product, so वहाँ bargain करना पड़ता है. it's not like कि हम फोन को पकड़ेगा and I'm gonna show you like now I'm bargaining. it's very tough. So next time I will try. If not, I know I won't make big promises. Even I go next time or something like that, I can't blame. I know most of time, maximum time I go alone, and even I go with someone, so फिर वो भी अपना अकेले जाता है, and I can't say that कि हम मेरे लिए can you blame me like every single time, like for 1-2 clip it's okay, but for all video like it's so mean to me, so हम नहीं बोल पाते even though, और हम बोलेगा भी नहीं. So these are the clothes which I got. So हमको कमेंट में बताना कि ठीक है क्या according to the price what I got is worth it or worth it not, और साथ में बताना कि आप लोग का फेवरेट इसमें कौन सा thrifted सबसे फेवरेट लगा. For me I like everything, like जो भी हम लिया I don't regret anything जो भी लिया. So that's all for today, bro. I hope you guys will enjoy watching it, and so please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in next vlog. Bye bye, and keep supporting me.